Gurudev, what is the significance of Pongal, Shankranti, Lohri, and how to celebrate it?
Harvest season in this part of the world. When there is harvest, the first crop that you get, you share with everybody, you celebrate. You have received the benefit of all your labor, your hard work. In villages, at homes, people used to get the first sugar cane, the first bag of paddy, and all this. So they would share with everyone. Celebration cannot happen without sharing. And in this country, when sharing, they also had some knowledge along with it, wisdom. Here, every celebration is linked with some wisdom. That's the beauty here. Say Tilgul, Dya Gudgul Bola. In Maharashtra, I say, with sesame seed, sesame seed is the oil grain. Sesame oil is the main oil that people use. Sesame, for some reason, is considered very precious. So, sesame seed and jaggery were distributed to everybody, and they say, have this and let sweet words come out of your mouth. This is the wish or the greetings that people would do to each other. You eat sesame and jaggery and let good words come out of you. And speak well, speak good things. So this tradition has been there from long time. It's also astrologically connected when the sun enters, Makara Rashi, Capricorn. So that is when Uttarayana, when sun starts from then, it starts moving towards the north. The winter is over, now there will be longer days. So with this, there is more celebration in this continent. So the celebrations are also linked to seasons. So Makar Sankranti is such a celebration, and where you are coming out of this harsh winter into a pleasant sunshine. From harsh winter into pleasant sunshine. Mainly festival of harvest.